Hey guys, it's another day, another Poshmark Q&A. What do you guys think about my hair? I colored my hair. I just wanted to change. I color my hair often. I honestly get sick of it. Like every 6 months, I would say I do like kind of like a drastic change. This, I'm kind of liking it. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but the ends or like towards the front is lighter. I bleached the ends like a week and a half ago, which I know. It didn't take the color like the top half of my head did. I don't know, but I like it because there's dimension. It's not just like one flat color. But yeah, I wanted to do something different. I like to go darker in the like fall time, winter time, and like lighter in the summer. Here we go. First question is, can you do a tour of your posh room? I'd love to see how you store and organize everything. I know I've been saying this for a long time now, but I am eventually gonna do I'm gonna do a day in the life video, but I feel like I can also squeeze in like a inventory room tour. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys this room because this is more of like my YouTube filming room and like taking pictures room. I have everything stored in our playroom, so I think I might just show you guys that, right? Because this I'd have to really clean this, and I'm just way too pregnant to do that. So yes, that video hopefully will be coming. I don't know, guys. I don't know. At some point. Next question. Hi, Vanessa. What mannequin do you use? I have a couple different ones I have used. I don't like any of them. Can you link the mannequin you use below? Thank you. You look stunning today. Oh, thank you. Oh, Deborah, I always see your comments. You're always so sweet. So yes, I will link the mannequin that I use. I got it off Amazon. I want to say it was like 40 or 50 bucks. Totally worth it. So yes, I will link it below. Okay, next question. Hi there, love your videos. You're so honest and real. Oh, thank you. I have a question for you. I just started reselling in October. Do you have any advice on how to build listings? I have 39 now, also a full-time mom with 5-month-old twins. Appreciate your help. Much success to you. Okay, so you are super busy. I can totally relate. So my like sourcing strategy has kind of sort of changed. It's definitely going to change because COVID cases are going up and I'm very pregnant and I don't want to be going out to thrift stores. So I've started to do more online arbitrage. So maybe I would suggest that because that's easy to do. Well, easier to do when you have a lot of babies at home. As far as like what I do or what I'm going to stop doing, like I just said, I go sourcing on the weekends. My husband comes too, and we bring all of our kids with us. And that's just what works out for us. I have gone sourcing. I mean, I used to go sourcing all the time during the week with my kids, and I would just bring my kids. But this was like last summer or even like last winter before COVID. But now I just don't like bringing my kids out to stores. It's just not worth the risk. So usually when we go sourcing now, sometimes they'll come into the store with us. Most of the time they won't. They'll usually like wait in the car. We'll have Brady, my 16-year-old, it's not like we leave our toddlers in the car by themselves. Like, no. Yeah, our teenager usually hangs out in the car with them while we source. But even then, we don't take a long time. Like, we are in and out. But I have resorted to online arbitrage just because I'm not comfortable going out to stores anymore because cases are going up. And I hate when I say this because I get so many people arguing with me on my videos like, oh, it's only going up because there's more testing. And when I do voices like that, people think that I'm like, I just want to clear this up. People think that I'm like making fun of the person that's talking or like mocking them, but that's just my voice that I do when I imitate people. Like if you watch my videos, you know that like that's just what I do. I always get people commenting saying that COVID isn't real, but don't comment any comments down below about COVID because I'll just delete them. Like, this isn't a debate. There's like fucking science and facts and shit. And unless you've had someone close to you get COVID, you have a right to be skeptical, sure. But again, unless you have someone that has gotten it that's close to you, you have no idea. My brother-in-law actually just found out he has COVID, so yeah, I haven't seen him in since May, so thank God we're good. But yeah, unless you have someone close to you that gets it, yeah, sure, remain skeptical. So anyway, tips. I mean, that's what I do. Like I said, I've just resorted to more online stuff just because it's easier with kids. And I'm actually going through my personal closet I'm actually going to do that in the coming days and just getting rid of stuff that I have that I just don't wear. So that's another suggestion on how to build. I don't know if you've done that already. Okay, next question. Hello, I have a question. I got an offer on Poshmark today from a buyer who hasn't been active for a while. How is this possible? I go to their About Me page to see how recently they've been on, and it hasn't been for weeks, and I still received an offer from them. That is weird. I have gotten comments from you guys saying that you have had someone share your closet recently, and then you went to see when they were last active, and they haven't been active for a while. So that would make me think that that's a bot. Can bots have you send offers too? I don't know. That's really weird. I don't know. I don't have an answer. I'm stumped. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.